Good morning, children. Today we will do exercise from your Marigold book from page number 5. Let's write. Now, your question number 1 is connect the pair of sentences below using and or but. So, what you have to do, you have to use and or but to join these given sentences. So, first of all, you should know what is and what is but. Both are conjunction. And what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that joins words or group of words. Join words or group of words. Group of word means sentences. And where we will use and we use mostly specifically connect words, phrase or clauses that are of equal importance in the sentence. If you see the word, phrase, clauses are of equal importance in the sentence, we use and where we use but we use to connect the sentences or two statements that are contrast or contradict to each other in some way. If you see the sentences are different or contrast means different from each other in some way, we use but. Now how we will use and or but, I will explain you in these two sentences. For example, your sentence 1 is it is time to get up for school. I want to sleep for some more time. So see, these two sentences are contradict. So what conjunction we will use here? But. How? It is time to get up for school, but I want to sleep for some more time. So we use but. And one more thing, children, you have to keep it in your mind. While joining these two sentences, you will remove this full stop, and instead of this full stop, you will use conjunction but or and you will join these sentences. If the sentence is next sentence starts with any proper noun or I, we start the sentence with a capital letter. But if the sentence does not start with the proper noun or I, we continue it with the small letter. Understood? So it is time to get up for school, but we will remove this full stop and we will use but I want to sleep for some more time. Now next question. Sheila got some chocolates for her birthday. She got some new clothes too. Here you will see that both are of same importance in the sentence. So how you will write down the sentence? Sheila got some chocolates and some new clothes for her birthday. Sheila got some chocolates and new clothes for her birthday, because chocolates and clothes both are of same importance. So that's why we will use and. Now come to the next. Everyone has gone to sleep. I want to read my book. Read and sleep both are contradict, both are different. So we will use here but. Everyone has gone to sleep, but I want to read my book. You will remove this full stop and you will add but and I want to read my book. Now come to the next one, last one. Raju plays cricket. He also plays hockey. Cricket and hockey both are of same equal importance. So we will use here and. Raju plays cricket and hockey. So now how you have to write down these sentences? One I am doing for you, and rest of the sentence you will watch whole video and you will do it from the video. Now I am doing for you the first one. It is time to get up for school. Instead of this full stop, we will use here but. I want to sleep for some more time. Like this, you have to complete your whole exercise. So watch the whole video and do your exercise in your book. Children, you don't have to do this exercise in your notebook. You have to do this exercise in your book.